I just wondered if anybody had the correct drum brakes for my 58 Ford truck here. I'm thinking about putting drum brakes on here because I want to keep my old wheels. But the drum brakes I have now are junk and not for this model. I was wondering what the hell they are, I don't know. So these are what I've got on the vehicle right now. Which are not the right size. These are narrower than what's on the back right now, which are really hard to see in here, but anyway, these are a lot wider. And you shouldn't have wider drums in the back than your front. So these are only 2 1/4 inches deep and $11 inches. Shoes are only 2 inches. They should be at least 2.5 inches. I think that's what the backs have on it. It's 2.5. So does anybody got a front brake set up I can put on my stock Ford straight axle? Up here, something cheap. Just so I can get this thing to be a driver for a little while before I take it all apart and change it out to something else. So it's got the stock suspension under it, obviously. So I just don't want to put these piece of crap drums back on here with these little dinky ass shoes. It just doesn't stop at all with these things on there. Completely junk. They don't have to be perfect, they just have to be all there and relatively cheap. I don't want to spend a bunch of money on this piece of crap. So if anybody's got anything out there that I can use, I'd be interested in it. Right now I got this master cylinder here. I don't know what the bore size is in there, but it needs to be smaller to get more pressure. Now I got dual brakes on this thing, so I can put another master cylinder right here and run separate cylinders for the front and rear. Someone took my clutch pedal and welded it together right here, so we have 2 working brake pedals now. And believe me, you stand on both of them as hard as you can and put all your weight on it and still don't stop. So like I said, I was thinking about maybe just put another one over here, separating the systems out. Obviously it needs some new brake lines. This stuff is junk. But anyway, I just wonder if anybody out there had anything floating around they're not using, some old junk laying around, let me know. I'm interested. At least get something on there I can kind of stop with. Like I said, I want to keep my drum brake wheel, so I don't want to go to disc brakes. At least not right now. When I do disc brakes, I'll put my whole front clip up off. I'll put my Lincoln onto it. But for now, I'm going to stay with what's under here. And I got to find me a bunch of lug nuts too. For some reason, all my lug nuts are missing. But anyway, if anybody's got those parts, just let me know. I'll be interested. Thanks.